Thank you guys for tuning in to StreetMotoZ. Please like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to push the bell so you'll be reminded of the next video that comes out from StreetMotoZ. Hey guys, we're out here at the motorcycle practice area. I'm going to try to drag a knee today. I'm going to put on these knee sliders. Look how nice and clean they are. They have never been slidden on. Hopefully I'll have some marks on them by the end of today's practice. We're going to see. Got my Ninja 650. I also have this set up. This is a 40-foot circle. I'm going to try to go around this guy and drag my knee. We'll see if it works. A couple things I've done to the bike. Normally the Ninja 650 has a 32 psi in the front and 36 psi in the back, but for leaning and trying to drag a knee, I'm changing the front tire pressure to 30 psi, or right close to that, and the back tire pressure to right around 28 psi. So hopefully that's going to keep the back tire from sliding out and allow me to lean the bike and get the knee dragging. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, that was quite scary. I think the motorcycle's fine. It still runs. I've got an issue with my brake, but it's a good thing I have these pads. I've got elbow pads. I could feel it through the elbow pad, but I'm fine. And this right hip pad came in big time handy on that low side. I don't know why I low sided. Anyway, felt like the tire just slipped right out from under me like it was on grease. There's no gravel out here. Not sure what happened. Looking for some good feedback from you guys. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the ride, baby. Woo!